I'm Valerie Starn, and you're watching The Pulse. We're talking with Jeff Ferron. He's the president of UPC. That's Universal Polymer Coatings. Jeff, first of all, explain what that is. What are the coatings that you've worked with in your career?
I specialize in decorative and protective coatings for concrete and all floor systems, concrete, stamped concrete, brick, mason, any kind of hard surface.
You started off as a contractor, and that was a few years ago, right?
Yeah, 29 years ago I started as an applicator and did installations of many systems. And 7 years ago I started manufacturing here in Orange, California myself.
Which is an interesting success story, because 7 years ago what happened, you moved into a new neighborhood and had an interesting conversation with your new neighbor, is that right?
That is correct. I moved in, went to a Christmas party, and he started talking shop with me and what I did, and I simply told him that I was a coating contractor and we did a lot of coatings, and he asked me if I ever considered manufacturing myself, and I was kind of curious why he wanted to know. He happened to be the largest importer of resins in the area and invited me to consider manufacturing, and through that relationship I decided to hire a chemist and begin manufacturing coatings myself.
You did that, and it's been going well. Let's go over your products a little bit. First of all, clear sealers.
Yeah, I specialize in a clear sealer. It's a solventated acrylic, 24% solids. It's designed to go around your pool deck or over stamped concrete or over walkways or driveways to help protect those from the element, the sun, and make them cleaner and make them clean up easier and maybe give them a wet look.
Also, the decorative coatings, what are those applications?
We specialize in warehouses and garage floors and shop floors. We have a system for residential garage floors. It's a poly chip or a mica chip that gets broadcasted into epoxy that is very decorative and very popular. We also have like a regular shop floor. You can put down a solid color and do a warehouse or a shop and clean it up and make it look attractive. A protective coating for your business.
Another unique specialty, and that has to do with keeping the floor safe from chemicals, is that right?
We have a chemical-resistant urethane. We also have a polyaspartic. These systems are designed to go in places like labs and automotive industry applications, food processing, places where chemical attacks may be too harsh on a standard epoxy. So we developed systems that are designed to mitigate these kind of chemical attacks.
UPC has been up and running now for 7 years. How's business?
Business has taken off. We're starting to really grow. We just picked up a large distributor here in California, Reno, and Arizona.
Who would that be?
That's a Tom Duffy company. We're excited to be on their team and distributing product through their facilities.
Lucky for them and good for you. It sounds like business is booming, and we wish you continued success.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks, Jeff Ferron from Universal Polymer Coatings. And you've been watching The Pulse. Thank you for joining us. I'm Valerie Starn.